If you're tired of noisy neighbors or the sound of your own footsteps echoing around the house, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best soundproof carpets I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, the Vivor Sound Dampening Blanket. Priced at just $29.90. What caught my attention was its massive size at 96 inches by 80 inches. If you want a portable solution to block those annoying sounds, this is worth a serious look. This blanket is made of polyester and can be easily hung or draped over furniture, making it super versatile. The tightly sealed edges mean it's built to last, and it weighs about 8.82 pounds, so it's not a hassle to move around. The light blocking feature is a nice bonus if you need to create a quiet space for work or relaxation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're dealing with loud urban noise or trying to keep a peaceful environment for a home studio, this blanket can help soften those harsh sounds. Now, some folks mentioned that the soundproofing effect is pretty limited. Here's the thing though, while it won't completely silence the world outside, it does offer a layer of comfort that can make a noticeable difference in reducing echoes and distractions. It's great if you're a student or someone who just needs a little peace and quiet. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to dampen sound in your home. Skip this one if you need something that completely blocks out noise, as it may not meet those expectations. For the price, it definitely delivers decent value. Now, if Vivor's limited soundproofing effect bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Toribio Drum Rug. Next up, we have the Toribio Drum Rug, which is priced at $29.99. At 4 feet by 5 feet, this rug is specifically designed for drummers, but it can easily be used in any space needing sound dampening. If you want something that stays put while you move around, this is worth considering. The non-slip bottom is a standout feature. The thick rubber lining prevents it from sliding, which is super important if you're using it for practice or performance. The medium pile height also adds a nice cushion underfoot, helping to absorb sound and vibrations. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're a musician or just want a cozy spot in your home gym, this rug reduces noise from foot traffic and keeps your floors looking sharp. Now, some users have pointed out that it can shed a bit after the first few uses, but honestly, a little shedding isn't a deal breaker, especially when you consider the soundproofing benefits it offers. If you're someone who practices regularly, this is still a great option. This is perfect for you if you're a drummer or just want a durable rug to help with sound absorption. Skip this one if you're looking for something larger or more heavy-duty. For what you get, the value is impressive. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for sound absorption. Product number 3, Troy Studio Interlocking Floor Mats. Coming in at $40.99, the Troy Studio thick sound-absorbing interlocking floor mats are a fantastic option. With 16 pieces that each measure 11 inches by 11 inches, you can customize the arrangement to fit your space. If you want a modular solution that adapts to your needs, this is worth a serious look. These mats are designed for superior sound absorption with a noise reduction coefficient of 0.87. This means they do an excellent job at cutting down echoes and reverb, making them ideal for music studios or home theaters. Plus, the non-slip design ensures they won't move around when you step on them. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're setting up a space where sound quality is crucial, this will help transform your environment into a more acoustically friendly space. Now, some people have mentioned that they can be a bit tricky to clean, but here's the thing. For the level of sound absorption you get, a little extra maintenance is a small price to pay. If you're serious about sound quality, these mats are a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you need a customizable soundproofing solution for a music studio or home gym. Skip this one if you want something that requires zero upkeep because it might not be the easiest to maintain. For the price, you're getting an excellent bang for your buck. Now, if the previous product's maintenance issue concerned you, wait until you hear about the next one. Product number 4, Litland Star Black Interlocking Mats. Next on the list are the Litland Star 20 pieces sound-absorbing interlocking floor mats, priced at $39.99.
Each mat measures 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches, providing you with 20 pieces to customize your soundproofing area. If you want something that gives you flexibility, this is definitely worth considering. These mats are made from high-density felt, which does a great job of absorbing sound and reducing noise levels in your space. The interlocking design is not only functional, but also easy to assemble. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have a playroom or a music area in your home, these mats will help create a quieter environment for everyone. Some users have noted that the mats can sometimes separate if not positioned correctly, but honestly, as long as you take a minute to lay them out properly, you shouldn't have any issues. If you're looking for something that you can easily rearrange, this is still a great choice. This is perfect for you if you need a soundproofing solution that can adapt to different layouts. Skip this one if you need a more permanent fixture, since it's designed for flexibility. For the price, you're getting a lot of quality. And if the previous product's slight separation issue concerns you, the next one may just be the perfect fit.
Product number 5, Litland Star Gray Interlocking Mats. We have the Litland Star Gray Interlocking Floor Mats at $38.99. Similar to its black counterpart, each mat is 11.8 by 11.8 inches, allowing you to create a customized sound-absorbing area. If you prefer a lighter color for your space, this is definitely worth checking out. These mats also have that high-density felt material that effectively absorbs sound and vibrations. Plus, the interlocking feature allows for easy assembly and reconfiguration. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to enhance the acoustics in a gym or play area, these mats will provide a quieter, safer environment for activities. Now, some users have mentioned that the color can fade slightly with time, but here's the thing. Most products experience wear and tear, and as long as you're using them in a functional space, the benefits far outweigh this minor issue. If you want to keep things stylish while reducing noise, these mats are still a smart choice. This is perfect for you if you want a soundproofing solution that looks good in any setting. Skip this one if you want something that's completely maintenance-free, as fading over time could be a concern. For the price, they are a solid value. So to quickly recap, we looked at the Vivor Sound Dampening Blanket, the Tory Bio Drum Rug, the Troy Studio Interlocking Floor Mats, the Litland Star Black Mats, and finally, the Litland Star Gray Mats. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Troy Studio mats because their sound absorption and overall quality stand out the most.